This is just a quick how-to if you have a Xootr scooter and the rear wheel is exposed. Like in the old school ones, you will get dirty when you go through puddles. I used to have a coroplast Fender on here. You can see the marks from where it was for years. It started to look pretty terrible, took it off. So I made one out of a protein can today, which is just one of these protein powder jars. It's thick, black HDPE plastic, and you just cut the bottom off like this so that you get a half fender. Trim it along the line and then drill one hole in it. This is a 6mm screw. You drill one hole in it and then you can apply it. In here, in that section, I ran it a little bit longer down through there so that the water wouldn't run right into the deck. And then it's not going to fit very straight. So the final bit is when you get it on there and it's pretty straight, you grab your heat gun and on low you heat up the plastic, and then you just use some masking tape to hold it in place while it cools. And when you're done, it will operate more or less like that. It's cooling off. It's still warm, so I'm going to let it go a while. And that'll capture most of the slop coming off. And it costs about $0 and weighs about 2 ounces.